Confederate Rose.
Confederate roses are semi-deciduous with permanently lobed leaves. They tend to be large shrubs or tree-like. Though they have a more modest shrub-like appearance more north. Flowers can be double or single and are 4 to 6 in 10 to 15 centimeters in diameter.
They open white or pink and change to deep red by evening.
The rubra variety has red flowers. Single blooming flowers are generally cup-shaped. Bloom season usually lasts from summer through fall. When it does not freeze, the Confederate Rose can reach heights of 12 to 15 ft, 3.7 to 4.6 meters with a woody trunk.
Peel and farm permaculture.